Hey crew, today's video will be sweet potato pie. The queen will be making her famous sweet potato pie. And here are the ingredients that we'll be using. We have 2 large sweet potatoes, light brown sugar, carnation milk, sweetened condensed milk, ground cinnamon, nutmeg, ground ginger, vanilla extract, sweet cream butter, white sugar, pie crust, eggs. If y'all like to see this full video, please stay tuned. Alright, so we have the oven set at 350 degrees. She's gonna put these in the oven and let them bake until they're fork tender. Since they're so large, it may take an hour and a half to 2 hours to bake at 350. So she's just wrapping them in foil, and then off in the oven they go.
And some people may say that it doesn't matter, but my grandmother always just told me if they're larger potatoes like this, it'll help them hold their sweetness better and help them cook more evenly.
Alright, cool. So we got our sweet potatoes. She's just blending them up to get the little strings out them. Alright, crew, so she's gonna go in with some light brown sugar, and she's gonna start off with a cup and a cup of white sugar. And just a recap, she have evaporated milk, sweet condensed milk, nutmeg, ground cinnamon, ginger, and vanilla extract. So she's gonna go in with 1.5 sticks of butter that she melted. So she's gonna go in with 1 cup of sweet condensed milk, half a cup of evaporated milk,
They can always adjust as needed.
Queen really don't measure nothing, so she's doing this to help y'all out. So if y'all want to make a pie that's similar to hers, she's doing her best to measure it out for y'all and give y'all the exact measurements. And she's gonna go in with some ground ginger. What it is, half a teaspoon?
Half a teaspoon.
A half a teaspoon of ground ginger. Nutmeg. That's a tablespoon, right?
Yeah. Because it's a half a table, but I'm doing 1 tablespoon.
1 tablespoon. Well, that's 2.
No, this is a half a tablespoon. So I'm doing 2, which is gonna give you 1 tablespoon.
Ground cinnamon. She's gonna go in with 1 tablespoon of ground cinnamon. Guys, I missed that first half a tablespoon, but she put a whole tablespoon in.
Yeah, like I said, tell them just to adjust. You adjust it once you taste it.
Alright, so the rundown. 1 teaspoon of ginger, 1 tablespoon of nutmeg and ground cinnamon that she's put in. 1.5 sticks of melted butter, 1 cup of light brown sugar, and 1 cup of white sugar. And she's gonna go in with
a pinch of salt. That's the best I can tell them. It's just like a pinch of salt, y'all, literally.
like a half a teaspoon of salt.
I'm sorry, this ain't easy for me measuring. You can just tell.
She used 2 cupfuls of vanilla extract. So altogether, y'all, she added 4 cupfuls of vanilla extract.
This is the other half stick of butter.
And that's just the rest of the butter that she melted, which was a stick and a half. So she tastes the pie. She's gonna go in with 1 more cup of brown sugar.
1/4 of cinnamon. And I did half of 1/8, so that's 1/4. Perfect. I'm doing 3 eggs because I got 2 sweet potatoes, so I'm doing 3 eggs.
So like she said, y'all, she's gonna go in with 3 eggs.
I'm telling you that there ain't no other way. Pack your bags and then you will go away. I'm not gonna be begging you to stay. Said maybe if you asked me yesterday, I would handle this differently. Things are different, I'm a new me. That's not gonna happen. That's not gonna happen. That's not gonna happen. So even if you're asking, even if you're
Alright, so y'all just want to mix it until everything is combined. So we have 2 deep dish Pillsbury pie crust. And Queen's gonna pour the batter.
Sometimes giving up can make you grow, can make you grow, can make you grow.
Okay, you're gonna bake these at 350 degrees. How long you gonna bake them for?
I'm gonna check them after 40 minutes. I can't give you an exact time right now because I'm gonna check them after 40 minutes. It can take anywhere between 45 to 50 minutes. It can take up to an hour, depending on your oven.
This was not a good stay. Gotta go our own way. 'Cause I do what I do, and it's time for something new. Yeah.
Alright, crew. So here are the 3 pies, and to give y'all a rundown on the ingredients. We use 2 cups of brown sugar, light brown sugar, 1 cup of white sugar, 1 cup of sweetened condensed milk, a 1/2 cup of evaporated milk, 1 teaspoon of ginger, a 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 3 tablespoons of cinnamon, and 1 tablespoon of nutmeg. And she's gonna put these in the oven at 350 degrees for 40 minutes, and she's gonna check them at the 40-minute mark. If they need to go longer, she'll cook them a little bit longer, but I will let y'all know how long the bake time was. Give y'all that famous close-up. They look so good. Y'all, look at that. Woo! You want to put them out while you hold it there? Alright, cool. So we got them out the oven. They looking good. And we baked them for a total of 1 hour at 350 degrees. Alright crew, here's y'all piece of the sweet potato pie. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like and comment and subscribe to the channel if you haven't. Click the bell, set post notifications to all. And y'all already know the saying, pops out. Peace.